book and the first chapter. Okay, so in the previous classes, we're studying about the political theory. We discussed about the importance of the constitution, right? Yes or no? Discussed or not? What is the importance of constitution? And even Grishma Joshi should get a class on that, right? The preamble of the Indian constitution. Remembering that, Grishma?
Yes,
Grishma.
sir.
Okay. So what is the speciality of the constitution? In the specialty of the constitution, the preamble itself, we are able to read the concept of the constitution. Okay, the concept of the Indian constitution by reading the preamble of the constitution of our country. Okay, so we know that it's starting like this. What is that? We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Right? Is that correct? We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a socialist, sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Democratic republic. So, all these values of politics or values that we need to lead a good life in the society that is there in the constitution. Again, along with that, freedom, equality, right? Okay, freedom, equality, and all other aspects or the values that we want to follow in our society that is included in the constitution, right? Yes or no? Yes, correct, Grishma? Okay,
Yes, sir.
the start or the preamble. We, people of India, having solemn resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, right? Clear? Okay, so all these words has the what you can say the extreme further for these words there. Okay, for example, we are going to discuss that one by one in this textbook. Okay, so these are a new textbook. We are starting the discussion on this particular textbook named Indian Constitution at Work. Indian Constitution at Work. Clear or not? So first of all, I would like to ask a question to you people individually. What is your idea about the term constitution? Everyone individually want to speak about that, and we want to. You people want to. Why the constitution? Or what is the need of the constitution? If a constitution is not there, also we are able to lead a good life in the society, right or not? Right or not? Or thinking like that, so you can express your viewpoints, your ideas related with the term the constitution. All right. Okay, so the junior classes from class 8 onwards in the CBC syllabus, this particular word is taught by different teachers, right? Okay, I mean the constitution and the concept of the constitution and the values of the constitution, clear or not? And what the importance of the constitution for each and every individual in the society, okay, and the importance of the Indian constitution, Indian constitution, okay. So what is the importance of the constitution of India in the context of Indian society? That means what is the specialty of the Indian constitution, Indian society? Is like other society in the world? Specialty of our society. Okay, tell me, anyone. What is specialty of the Indian society as per your viewpoint? Come on.
Is democratic.
Yeah. I asked the society, Indian society, the specialty of society. What is that?
Diversity.
Diversity, right? Grishma told that the correct thing. Diversity. Diversity. Okay. What kind of differences we are able to find? Huh? How kinds of differences?
Cultural, religious,
Cultural differences are there, ethnicity, ethnic differences are there, racial differences are there or not? What is your answer? Is racial differences are there in our country? Racial differences are there or not? On the basis of race, there are origin of the people, not there, not there. Think and say. That also is the racial discrimination. I mean, can say that discrimination, but different races are there in our country, right? Like the Aryans, Dravidians, Mangaloids. Okay, understanding or not? So, example, who are Aryans? Aryans? Who are Aryans?
well of people,
The people they moved to at the center, moved to India from Central Asia. Okay, and finally they started their settlement in India. Okay, They are basically termed as Aryans there, the Aryan race, Aryan race. Okay, so basically today's the North Indians. Okay, so 100% we are unable to say that all the North Indians are Aryans or something like that. Today intermix of a culture, intermix of the races. Okay, that also is there. The same time, okay, commonly we can say that the people, basically the North Indians, they belong to the Aryan race, Aryan race. Okay, differences are there, right? Differences are there with the Dravidians, and we can say that the South Indians basically termed as the Dravidians, right? Differences are there. Are there or not? What kind of differences are there? Tell. So, if you want to study about the constitution, we want to study about the society first, right or not? Okay, you want to understand that what are different types of people and what is their culture and what they're expecting from the government. Okay, such kind of things also we want to understand. Okay, then only this you learn what is the importance of constitution and what is constitution or something like that. Clear? Okay, so how can we differ the Dravidians from North India? I mean, the Aryans. Aryans divide. Okay, for example, maybe we can say that they are tall people, tall. Okay, long nose. Okay, narrow lip, fair complexion people. So almost all the Europeans also considering as or they are also belong to this particular race called the Aryans. But I heard about Adolf Hitler and his policy of the Aryan supremacy theory. What is that? Aryan supremacy theory. Theory of Adolf Hitler is against the Jews. What is Jews? Jews, Jews. Okay, Jews. It's a group of people, right or not? The Jews. Okay. So, they are the Aryans there. But how can we differentiate from their okay, their color, the skin complexion? It's dark complexion skin. Okay, short horn people. Okay, right. That we can say black hair, brown or black hair. Okay, iris like number differences are there between these two groups of people. There, we're able to identify them. Mangaloids are there in our country. Clear or not? Okay, the Mongolian origin almost look like the Chinese people. Some particular facial expression, I mean, facial features are there for them, right? Yes or no? The protruding jaws. Okay, yellowish skin, right? Short nose. Example. So different races also are there in our country. So want to understand that. So differences are there. Everywhere we are able to find these kind of differences, cultural differences, linguistic differences. Dialects are there, different languages are there, right? Right? Yes, different languages. Then caste groups are there, religious are there, right? No, these are uncountable. So if you can say so, it's uncountable. That many castes, subcastes are there. Okay, another trouble there. So you can say that it's a complex. We don't know the complex society it is. Okay, okay. So the constitution wanted to take care each and every individual society. So just imagine. Okay, it's a Himalayan task to prepare such kind of constitution that everyone in the society, the people, those who belong in the different religion, okay, different caste groups, or different, the people using different languages, want to accept everyone. The major principle of democracy, what is that? Accommodate each and every community, right? Yes or no? What is your answer? Accepting that idea? Accommodation of each and everyone, right? Clear. Okay. So tell me, now you tell me what of Indian constitution. Well, what is the importance of constitution and constitution is needed or not? Needed or not? What is your answer? Tell me. If it's needed, why it is so? If it is not so, you have to say that answer also. So you want to think free. You want to be free thinkers. Clear or not? Just listening and understanding what the teachers speak. Okay, this is not the way. You also want to participate. Okay, you are the people going to pass the UPS examination. Civil servants, you people are okay in the future, right? Maybe politicians. Okay. Anyway, the basic idea of a student of political science. What is that? He or speak. Clear or not? Want to express your viewpoints, your ideas. Okay, the world is waiting for your words. Understand? The entire world. Clear. The idea rule the world, right? Ideas rule the world. Philosophies, right? So just tell me. Come on, fast.
It It is necessary because the rules, laws, and rights, everything is included in the constitution.
Okay, fine. So set of rules and regulations. Only the rules and regulation.
Rights, fundamental rights.
Right. That's fine. So you are supporting the constitution, right? The constitution is there, right? Okay. It means we'll this kind of answer. Sometimes I will support. You say won't. Why is so? No idea about that, right? Okay, Shira, tell me. So Ashwini is positive. She is supporting that. Okay, so constitution is needed, right, Ashwini? Why it is so? Why we want a constitution? Tell-
Because in such a country like ours, there are different
Ah.
people. So to support everyone, the fundamental rights they have, everything is prescribed in the constitution, and the constitution allows no one to be more powerful, so that
Okay.
everyone is treated equally.
Fine. So she came to a conclusion here. It's basically termed as the rule of the law. What is that? Rule of the law. Rule of the law. What is that? All are equal before the law, irrespective of the class, creed, sex. All are equal. I am supporting with Aishwarya. So it is not my personal opinion. I am supporting for now. Okay, with the Aishwarya, we'll discuss. Okay, what are the positive aspects of constitution, and even negative things are there that also we want to discuss, right? So for a political science students, we don't want to support anything blindly, right or not? Critical thinking necessary. Critical thinking. So it is needed. It is necessary or not? Clear? I want that. Simply someone saying something or some philosophies are there. Might you heard about utopian philosophies, right or not? What is utopian philosophies? In class 10, okay, first chapter history. The word is there. What is that? Utopian philosophy. What is that? Utopian world. What is that utopian world?
Something that doesn't exist.
Definitely, it is a good philosophy. Okay, they are very beautiful. Okay, so like sometimes the politicians will give offer for the voters there. What is that? Now it is the time for the local of government elections there. So this kind of candidates will come to our home and will say that next to Monday will see what will happen there. Milk or honey will flow through the rivers there. Okay, 24 hours electricity. Road service will be there. They will. Okay, macadam's roads will be there. All over the roads will be there. After the election, they will forget all those things there, right? Understanding or not? Clear? Something like that. Okay, so utopian philosophy, a world that likely be never exist, never exist. That's what utopia. Okay, so that the word in your mind hereafter, number of times will come across that particular word called utopian philosophy, utopian philosophy. Okay, very good to listen, but no chance to. Okay, so continue. So I should conclude with the rule of the law, right? Constitution necessary because it wanted to treat everyone equally. Okay, now I'm moving to Gishma. Come on, Gishma. Gishma is the one who already completed an assignment and a seminar on this particular topic called the preamble of the Indian Constitution. You know that well. Okay, come on.
I
Gishma.
also support Aishwarya's.
Okay, fine.
Constitution is required to
Ah.
prevent chaos in society.
Definitely.
Um,
Okay.
so if constitution was not there in a country like India, where so many societies are there will definitely be a clash between the societies, and it will not be settled if there were no courts or rules.
Uh,
And these many societies will not be able to live together in one country.
okay.
So
Right.
to maintain peace,
Hmm.
constitution is required.
Aishwarya, sorry, Grishma. So Grishma's conclusion is nothing but here. You want to condemn the majority dominions over the minority, right? Yes? Yes or no? So that's what your conclusion here. Okay, you told that all the societies want to lead a good life in the society. I mean the country, right? Okay, which means you are expecting a problem there. You're foreseeing a problem here. What is that? Might the majority will dominate over the minority, right or not? Maybe the religious minority, linguistic minority. Okay, something like that, right? Chances are there. So we want protection from the government, right? Through the constitution only, right? Not the constitution. So constitution is necessary. Want to secure the life or lead a good life in the society for each and individual and for each and every society. It is important. Constitution, right? Okay, Mr. Amal Raj. Amal Raj.
why I'm also putting a constitution is necessary
Ah.
because in the constitution it tells how the government should be running. If there is no constitution, the government will do anything as per their wish. The politicians can do anything. They
Yeah.
can even bribe. They can even destroy the economy.
Okay.
So because of the Indian constitution, we are known as the world's largest democratic. So because of the constitution, our elections are being done very well.
Hmm.
If there is no constitution, there are many problems like there will be discriminations
Hmm.
on base of economy,
Hmm.
caste,
Hmm.
color, and the lower class people will never get any provinces from the government. So,
Various things are there. Okay,
Finish.
accepting Mr. Amal Raj, all these things what you told is correct. So constitution. So Amal Raj concluding that constitution is a particular factor. They are creating hindrances or barricades for the politicians or government to do something bad to the people, right? Right? Or protecting the people from this kind of bad governments, right or not? Right or not? Or it is preventing the politicians to do some kind of scams or bribery. Okay, it is preventing. So set of rules and regulations are there, basically that made it to protect the will of the people in this country or in the society, right? Protecting the will and interest of the people. And he also told that, okay, so constitution is there, it is good for the people, those who belong in the economically backward classes or socially backward classes, right? So upliftment of everyone. Okay, clear or not? So the constitution is helpful for lead a good life in society and is helping everyone. Okay, do the same in the society, clear or not? So ensuring the values of okay, as per his words I can say that is mixing or connecting this with these words like equality, liberty, fraternity, justice, right, Mr. Amal Raj? Yes, equality, right? We studied that. Okay, when the French Revolution that taught us that the words, the values of politics. What is that? Liberty, equality, fraternity, justice, right? So it was a slogan at the time of the French Revolution. What is that? Liberty, equality, and fraternity. Liberty, equality, and fraternity. And now we are adding one more word along with that. It's called to be justice. Justice. That also needed, right? Okay. So moving to Miss Elvina Joy.
As we all know that constitution will make our India more democratic. It is what will make our India democratic country. Without the constitution provides fundamental rights and principles and directivity principles in each and every people in the society. And without these fundamental rights, people can do whatever they want, and there will be more and more differences between the backward sections of the people, and they will dominate the majority and minority, and they will see the poor backward classes, and the people like backward sections of society won't get equal opportunities as other people got. So they are providing equal opportunities. So constitution is necessary.
Right. Okay, so she says that set of rules and regulations are there that are describing the duties of different types of governments, right? Right or not? So I might have studied about the union list, state list, concurrent list, residual list, like that various are there in the constitution. Okay, clear or not? Okay, okay, that is speaking or giving guidelines to different governments to how to function, and their role in the society, and Grishmo giving to that particular point, maintaining equality in the society. Constitution is necessary. Constitution is necessary. Okay, so that's what the conclusion of this discussion. Okay, what is that? We need a constitution. We need a constitution. Next question: what type of constitution we want? What type of constitution? So we know that constitution in the Indian context, we discussed various things related with that. So not only democratic government, dictatorial governments are there, monarchical type of governments are there, right? Clear? What is your answer? In that kind of countries also acting or following a constitution? A dictatorial country or a monarchical country, they also following a constitution? That is my statement. They are also following a constitution. If it is so, okay, what kind of constitution it will be? Any answers? What is the meaning of the term monarchy? What is the meaning of monarchy?
Ruled by a king or a person.
Correct, autocratic rule, right? Autocratic rule, ruled by a single person. Okay, all the powers are with him, right? Okay, thank you for everyone's cooperation. You spoke nicely. Okay, so the rule of the king, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Of course, the rule of the king. He is the legislature, he is the executive, and he is the judiciary. He is the judiciary, right? Right? So what is the role of the constitution there? He will decide everything there. He is the one those who making the rules, right? He is the one those who forcing the people or making the people to obey that. Okay, he is the one those who giving punishment while people breaking or breaching the law, right? Yes or no? So what is the need of the constitution there? Huh? He will decide everything, right? Okay, so there also rules and regulations are there. For example, Saudi Arabia, okay, it's an Islamic country, was a monarchy, right or not? Number of other Middle East countries also, they are following not a democratic type of government, but a monarchy, Okay, but there also constitution is there. Okay, it is existing because those rulers also wanted to follow what the set of rules and regulations. Clear or not? They don't want to breach the culture and the unity of the people, unity of the people. In that kind of countries in modern times also we are able to find judiciary is moved away from or they kept apart from the ruler, right? Judiciary is different. Judiciary is different. Many of the countries are following that system today. Clear or not? Understanding or not? But we can say that a type of ministerial type of governments also is there. Ministers in the name for different departments, they are giving powers to different people. Basically, they're termed as the ministers of different affairs. Clear. In India also, in democracy, we know that prime minister and the cabinet ministers, ministers with the different powers, they are handling different departments, like that in the Middle East. Now, because we know that today the world we know that it's a period of globalization and liberalization. Okay, no monarchs are able to stand independently. Clear or not? No monarchs are able to stand independently because the resources are scarce. We want to purchase things and we want to sell the things, right? Okay. So related with the Middle East countries, their main income creating business, it is petroleum products. Clear or not? So they have to sell that to other countries. So a cooperation with other countries is necessary. That is necessary. So they will maintain or they will follow the world system, the entire system they will follow. Clear or not? But dictatorships, that is not like that. It is not like that. Okay, can you give example for a dictatorial country in the world? Not a dictatorial country in India, but in the world. Come on, first. One dictatorial country, dictator, the ruler. Okay, Amal Raj, I think it's the answer with Amal Raj. Simple.
Korea.
Of course, not just Korea, the North Korea. Okay, in India we can speak North Korea. But if you're speaking North Korea in North Korea, that's a criminal offense. You'll lose your head. Understanding or not? Okay, what is that I told you? In India, we can speak it is North Korea. But you are going to North Korea and speaking that I am staying in North Korea means what will happen there? That definitely you will lose that. Okay. Clear. So this is that officially that country is termed as the Korea, not North Korea. Okay. But we will say it is North Korea because another one Korea is there, the South one. All right. Okay, the South one. Clear. So that the ruler, what is his name? An idea? Kim Jong-un. That's what his name. Okay, the ruler of North Korea today. Okay, and there's a problem. There is a constitution is there. There also is a constitution. Okay, but the constitution is only to support the ruler. The one-sided constitution. As per that, rules and regulations are there. Okay, but we can say that the constitution missing one particular sentence or particular word it is termed as liberty. What is that? Liberty. No freedom for the people. There, prescribed methods are there for judges to cut their hair. Okay, 20 styles are there. Okay, all the males want to follow that particular styles. Okay, and a special one for the king, special one for the ruler. Only he want to follow that style there. If anyone is cutting your hair with the other style or other method, okay, again we will not have a hair to cut the hair again. Okay, so that's it. Okay, next one, all the people want to wear the same kind of dress. Uniform system is there. Okay, if you want to purchase a computer, you want to get a permission from the government. Understand? Food is ration. Clear? Like that, various programs are there in the country. It's a dictatorial one, but are not matching with the world politics. World politics. Okay. So I hope these ideas are clear. Okay. You got the base of this constitution, right or not? Why a constitution? Okay. So we'll discuss in the next class also. So someone told I share right? You are unable to attend the class there. Any others are facing the problem? The clash with the mathematics class? No one, no one. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. Next class, we will come with more power and more strength there. Okay, fine. So at 1 o'clock. Okay, yes, bye. Thank you.